Claude Code 2.1.21 splits background forking from in-session subagents and adds hard limits to stop runaway agent loops. Fork now copies your entire conversation into its own background session, its own row in Claude agents, so you keep working while it runs. The in-session helper it used to launch has its own name now, subtask. 2 new safety valves cap runaway loops, 200 web searches per session, and 200 subagent spawns per session, both configurable, and clearing the conversation resets the subagent budget. Plan mode was supposed to be read only, but it could auto-run file modifying commands like touch and rm without asking. Now every file change waits for your approval, in the CLI and the SDK. Quick plug, I built a side project called VibeMon. It quietly tracks your Claude Code activity, your focus time, your projects, your streak, and turns it into a slime that's yours. It's free at vibemon.dev. That's 2.1.212. New release, new video. Subscribe and keep up with Claude Code.